Hello, my name is Lindsay Davidson, and I am a first grade teacher at Mountainside Elementary in Colorado Springs, Colorado. And this is my video on the resource I have found to share with you all. So my resource that I found is called emotionalabcs.com. It is a website. There's not an app that you can download. You can do it from a tablet, but you have to go through a browser like Safari or Google Chrome to be able to use that, the website. There's not an app or anything you can just click on. So it is free for teachers. There are different levels, of course. So if we scroll down here, we can click on pricing and membership. So if you click on teachers and schools up here, and then click on the pricing there, you can see that it is free for a teacher to have an individual account at their school, private or public, it doesn't matter. And then there's different options if you want to upgrade to the premium benefits. With that free program, you get the 20 sequential workshops for social emotional goals. It includes videos, activities, games for the classroom, as well as a lot of printable activities that go along with the workshops. And they are in line with the Common Core standards. So if you want to sign up, you just click on sign up. You fill out that form. I've already done all that, so I'm just going to log into mine. And I've already created just a demo account so I can share that with you. It has really easy passcodes, so you can set this up for students. Okay, so when you first go into your account, it has all the lessons for you. There are 10 different lessons. Each of the lessons start off with a video. They have a different topic. For example, Unit 1, Lesson 1 is all about emotional vocabulary, getting students to understand what they're feeling and how to use the appropriate vocabulary to explain their feelings. There are some matching games in this first lesson, and that go along with the video and the topic. So for example, you would just click, if you want to watch the video, you would click here, you would go through the video. I'm not going to let the whole video play, but at the end of the video, it'll ask you to click next, and it goes right into that first activity, which is the face matching game. Then you can also click up here to My Board. There are different activities and games. There are some coloring pages. There are certificates you can print for students as you go through those workshops. Up here, it lists all the videos. If you're just looking for a particular video, you can look. There's videos on facial clues, what is a feeling, body clues, just all kinds about the different feelings. It also has different songs. So if you have students that want to, that really enjoy songs, or even a music teacher might be able to utilize some of those activities into their music lessons. Okay, there's also the lesson list that we were looking at before. The workshop really breaks it down for teachers easily. I know sometimes for teachers, it's hard to add one more thing to do, planning social emotional curriculum. So Emotional ABCs does a great job of laying it out for teachers. So there's really minimal work involved. And then of course down here, there's the print library that I mentioned that has the classroom visuals if you want to print them and use them. If you want to do any of the drawing activities, workbook pages, the instructions, again, all the visuals are right there for you. As far as where Emotional ABCs falls in regards to the SAMR model, this is definitely more of an enhancement. It does enhance what the students are learning through the use of multimedia, and again, those printables should a teacher choose to use them. With Bloom's taxonomy, it really helps students understand what they're feeling. It helps apply some techniques to help them express their emotions in appropriate ways. And it also helps them analyze what they're feeling, their emotions, and really just helps them understand it at a level that is appropriate for their age. So that is where I'm going to stop the video. But yeah, thank you for watching.